This mechanical pencil is from another time, from another era. In this day and age, when we see only cost-cutting measures and quality droppings, it will be interesting to see a pencil that was made almost 100 years ago. According to my research, it was made in the 20s or 30s. Now just let's take a look at this little engineering piece. It has that engraving on the barrel. It is a Redipoint made in USA and in rolled gold. It has a twist to advance mechanism. So you just twist this cap and the lead will slide out. Yes. But now, let's just take it apart. First, I just pull this little cap. Okay. Let's just zoom in a bit further. It has that steel spring. Okay, we see here one kind of knurling that you will need to unscrew. Also underneath there's a different, I don't know, color. There's a different kind of knurling. All of these parts are kept invisible under the cap, but they were detailed and machined. So this is not like, let's just hide a little bit of plastic inside. This is high quality. Okay, we unscrew it. Everything metal thread. There is an interesting spiral inside which slides the mechanism. So it's like a rail. This little piece sliding inside gets pushed or pulled outside or inside. I just wanted to show you this 90 years old mechanical pencil, how it was made. I'm fascinated by these objects and I really like to discover their inner workings. But one sad thing is that this lead has a thickness of 1.1 or 1.2 millimeters. It's interesting to have it like a piece in my collection. So as you can see, everything is made out of metal with details and parts that today you cannot really see on mainstream pencils or utensils. Now let's just put it back together. First, I put this spiral, so I screw it in and just push the whole inner part together until it clicks. Now it will be at the end, but if you just twist it, the lead will come out. It was engraved for a Mary Matson. It also has some kind of a coat of arms in the back. I saw many of these have some custom logo or stuff like this. Focus. Hope you liked this video. Hit that like button. I'm curious, tell me in the comments down below if you have anything like this, you used something like this. It's nice to read your comments. And have a nice day.